Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm Josh. I make videos on DIYs and room makeovers. Today I'm sharing a little living room refresh. So I've been living in this apartment for just over a year and I definitely had all my made pieces, but I never really put the time and energy into kind of making the space exactly what I want it to be. So in this video, I'm going to just walk you through a couple of changes that I made to give some life to the space. I did a little Limewash wall. It's kind of subtle, but I mixed two colors behind me, which is something I've never done before. I also made a gallery wall with this very cool Samsung frame TV, and then just kind of did some decor around the space that I'll walk you guys through. It was really fun for me, and I finally have fallen in love with my living room. So I'm so happy and so excited to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. So first up, as with every painting project, I just had to prep my space, tape up my walls, protect my floors, everything like that. Then, even though my walls are already white, I went around and applied my acrylic-based primer just to get my walls ready for my Limewash paint. For this project, I actually decided to mix two colors. I mixed Avario White with Reposo Beige. These are both from Romabio. This is the company that is sold at Home Depot. I went with this company just because it's very easily accessible and ships pretty quickly. Home Depot doesn't have a large selection of Limewash colors, so I kind of had to do this in order to get the exact color I was going for. You can definitely order from a bigger online retailer that has way more color options. I was just a little bit impatient and wanted to get mine delivered quickly. So I actually used my drill with a part from my mixer in order to mix this thing up, just to make sure the color was really cohesive throughout. And then I went ahead and added my water. This time around with my Limewash, I definitely went a little bit more liquidy than normal because I sort of realized that Limewash is meant to be more liquidy than I had been doing prior. So I did that to hopefully get an even better finish in the end. So then I just went around my space and Limewashed my accent wall. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I have a whole video on everything you need to know about Limewash, the techniques to apply it, everything like that, which I'll put a card on screen for and I'll definitely link down below as well. Once I had my accent wall fully complete, it was time to put my TV back and start working on a gallery wall. The Samsung frame is such a cool TV, such a great idea. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. So I was really happy to be able to find some images on Etsy to use for this space. And all the frames that I'm hanging up are either from IKEA or Desenio. I use my gallery wall to really start to add in pops of color into my space that I could start to use around the rest of the space and to really be a focal point of the room, because the living room is pretty much the first thing you see when you walk into the space. So I wanted to make a really high impact with a very colorful gallery wall and the soft textured Limewash behind it. My TV cord was starting to bother me, so I went in with some extra Limewash paint, which definitely did not stick so well, but did my best just to make my tiny TV wire try to blend in a little bit more. Next, it was time to add some decor to the space. I personally have some trouble styling end tables and things like that, but I did my best to style the two little end tables that I had in this space. Around the space, you might see some decor from H&M Home, from a previous video that I did, which I'll also put on screen. Pillows really do make all the difference. Before, I didn't really have many accent pillows, but this was another way for me to add color into the space. This was a relatively small and quick project, but definitely had a big impact. With all that work behind us, let's get to the reveal. As always, thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. You can always also press the little bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Anything that I have links to for things I bought for my space, I'm going to put in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.